Alright guys, so a couple weeks ago we did a video called BadgePass Server, the key to the castle. And in that video we talked about the importance of BadgePass Server, how it's the foundation for all of our BadgePass products, and how once you have sold a customer BadgePass Server, they have a super easy ability to expand and grow and add on additional product modules later on. So if they want to do ID badging, visitor manager, or access control, they can really easily add them on to their existing BadgePass Server software once they've got that foundation in place. Okay, but one question I get all the time, even though people understand the concept of BadgePass Server and why it's so cool and what the benefits are to the customer, is what actually comes with BadgePass Server. When you purchase it from us, what do you get along with the server software? Okay, so the first thing you get is you're going to get one license of Identity Manager, totally included in the cost of BadgePass Server. So that means that you can do all of your ID badging completely integrated with any of your other products that you choose to do. So if you've got a customer who's looking to do access control, then they're going to get a license of Identity Manager with the purchase of BadgePass Server, which means that they can do fully integrated ID badging and access control all for the same price. How cool is that? Alright, so they're going to get that Identity Manager device license. They're also going to get a license of BadgePass Studio, which is our card design application. So whether they want to design employee badges or temporary visitor labels, doesn't matter. They're going to use Studio to design any type of badge design or template, and that is going to come with BadgePass Server also. Alright, another application that they're going to get is MonitorPoint. MonitorPoint is really cool for your access control customers. It's basically kind of like a guard shack application. And so what it does is it logs all of the events that are happening in your access control system. So you can actually customize it so you can change the colors of each of those events. So if you want your invalid card accesses to show up in red so that they're clear and you can see them easily, then you can set them to show up in red. You can basically change all the colors of all of your access control events, and they'll all get logged in this one easy-to-view screen in MonitorPoint. The other thing that's nice about MonitorPoint is it gives you an easy way to lock and unlock doors from a remote access point. So if you've got somebody in the building who needs to unlock the back door for like 30 minutes while people are moving furniture in and out, super easy. Just pull up MonitorPoint, hit unlock that back door, and then you can simply go back and lock it later on. Okay, so MonitorPoint is also included with BadgePass Server. I mean, we are just adding on tons of products here. All right. Now, you're also going to get our data sync utility with BadgePass Server. So if you remember correctly from our data sync video, we basically use the data sync tool to sync up with a customer's existing database information. Whether they want to tie into an employee database or student information system, whatever it might be, we're going to use data sync for that. Also, the last thing you're going to get with the purchase of BadgePass Server is the event system. And the event system is what allows you to generate email notifications or log files about any of the events that occur within any of the BadgePass products that you're using within the system. Alright, so that is a ton of stuff that you're getting with the purchase of BadgePass Server. Am I right? You're getting a license of Identity Manager and Studio, so you can design and produce ID badges. You're getting MonitorPoint, so you can view all of your events and access control. You're getting data sync and the event system. Both of them are awesome utilities for connecting to existing databases and sharing information outside of the BadgePass system. All just for the price of BadgePass Server. Plus, once you've got BadgePass Server, you've got the ability to easily expand and grow and add on future product modules if your needs expand in the future.